Hi viewers, this video is for the explanation of faculty dashboard in our example software. So let's get started. Give the username and password here and click on sign in. Just click on the remember me so that the next time you log in, your username and password will be given here automatically. So now sign in. This is the main or home page of the faculty dashboard in our example software. Here this page shows the faculty information like the name, department, contact number, email, highest qualification, experience. And here there's no photo uploaded here, but click on upload photo, and when you upload the photo you can see the preview here. After giving all the details, just click on the save here. Click on here, you can edit the details here and click on submit. Okay, after that so now let's move on to the basic information. This is the basic information. So now let's move on to question paper. The page we have seen here is the basic information of the faculty page. So now let's move on to question paper generation. Here faculty can generate the normal question paper and the part wise question paper. In the normal question paper, give all the details first. So give all the details, select appropriate details from the drop down, and here give the instruction like how many questions need to be answered and what all, and give the maximum marks here, and give question number, the description of the question, the marks, uh, all the details required here, and click on sub question to give a sub question here. And if you want to give a main question, just click on a main question, whichever is required. And if you want to delete the main question, just click on delete main question one. So after giving all the details, just click on save here. This is for the normal question paper generation. Now let's see part wise question paper generation. Here you can select on the part 1 and part, here you can choose on part A and part B and give the details accordingly. Give first select all the appropriate options from the drop down like this, and set the give the information of the instructions to be followed, give the maximum marks, and set the questions. Here this is the main question. Click on sub question to add a sub question to this question, or click on main question to add one more main question. Whatever whatever the pattern you have to follow, please add questions here and just click on save. The next is question paper. Here the faculty can view the question paper. To do so, just give all the details and click on generate report. Here you can find the question number, the sub question number, the question, the marks, CO, PO, PSO, everything related to the examination. Here see, we have already downloaded a PDF by clicking on the generate report here. Whatever the report we get here, we can click on generate report here and we can download it. So here you can, the faculty can view the question paper particular for each subject. So now let's move on to question wise marks. So here you can find the student details like roll number and the name, and the scores and the marks they've obtained for each question. So now let's check out question wise marks. Here give all the details and click on get question marks to view the marks particular to each question. And so click on view marks here to find the list of the marks. Now let's move on to mid marks entry. So here faculty can enter the mid examination marks. After giving all the details, you can find the list of the students whose marks can be entered, and you can download the list that appears here. After giving all the marks, just click on save marks to save the details. Now let's move on to final marks entry. Here, faculty can enter the final examination marks each student has got. So first select all the details. So after selecting the subject and section, uh, click on this modify or pen icon given. You'll find the list of the students here. The faculty can give the final examination marks to each student, and then by clicking on this download option, you can download the list that is generated here. Now let's move on to assignment creation. So faculty can create assignments here, assignments specific to each subject. And after giving all the details, just click on get questions. And when you find the list of the questions, just you can just click on the questions and create an assignment here. Next is mark student attendance. Here you can find the list of attendance, and the attendance can be marked here for those students. Just set all the details here. Just click on and then click on get. So you'll find the list with the subject, program, branch, batch, section, semester, week, session, timings, actions, all the details, and there you can mark their attendance. And to view the attendance that has been marked earlier, just click on view attendance here. Okay, now let's move on to invigilation allotment. Here, the faculty can find all the details of the invigilation, like the exam title, the block where the invigilation is allotted, and also the date, session, and month. So now let's move on to question paper editor. Here, faculty can edit the question paper that has already been set. Just give all the details here. Click on choose file and select the question paper that should be replaced with the existing question. And click on add marks here and assign marks to all the questions in the question paper. So if you want to add one more question paper or one more question, just click on add here. You can add as many questions as you want. Now let's move on to MCQ Excel upload. Here multiple choice questions upload can be done. Just give all the details here. Click on choose file and select a question paper with multiple choice questions and upload. I'll show you how to do it. This is how you upload it. Just click on upload here. And before that, just click on download Excel template here so that you can have a template or you can have a format that needs to be followed to upload the MCQ question paper. So this is the format that needs to be followed. The question and the answer. Okay, the next page is, yeah, chief valuation. So here the faculty can see the information if any chief valuation is assigned to him. Next is remuneration bill. The remuneration bills can be generated here. Just give the full name and bank account details here and click on save. So whatever the remuneration bills will be for the invigilation and for the valuation, the amount will be sent or credited to that account that we have mentioned here. So now let's move on to scrutiny valuation. Here, the faculty can check if any scrutiny valuation is assigned here. There is no scrutiny valuation assigned to this faculty, so there's no data on this page. Now let's move on to faculty timetable. Here, faculty can check their timetable. Here below each period given here, the details of the assigned class will be given. So now let's move on to set internal question paper. Here, faculty can set question papers for internal examinations. First, select the appropriate options from the drop-down, and you will see a list here where internal question paper can be set. Next is faculty class notes. Here, faculty can upload the class notes made by them. Just select all the details from the drop-down and click on choose file here and upload the notes. You can also view. You can also have a preview of the uploaded notes by clicking on the show details here. This is the preview of the notes that has been uploaded. You can modify it just by clicking this option. You can click on choose file here and upload the correct file, and click on modify. You can also delete it by clicking on this option given here. Click on submit after making all the changes. Now moving on to circulars. Here faculty can view all the circulars of the institution just by clicking on the view option given here. You can download and print this circular also. Now let's go back. So this is it for the faculty dashboard of our exam cell software. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.